Okay, so good morning to all of you. I will take your PSM practical, PSM theory. ठीक है sir. So last class what we have discussed, community health.
Yes, ma'am.
So community health or what was the last point?
Ma'am, ecology of health है.
Ecology of health.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish ecology of health.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you write down mortality and morbidity. Subheading लिखा mortality and morbidity. mortality, mortality and morbidity. morbidity, morbidity. Mortality and morbidity. Below you write mortality. Below you write down mortality. At a dash दिया और लिखा mortality is the death rate. Mortality is the death rate. Death. DATH. Death. Mortality is the death rate. Mortality is the death rate. Change the paragraph and write morbidity. 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 Morbidity is the rate of disease. Morbidity is the rate of disease in a population. Morbidity is the rate of disease in a population. So mortality माने death rate और morbidity माने rate of disease. ठीक है? Then write number 1. Below you write number 1 mortality. Number 1 mortality.
Ma'am, rate of disease
In a population. In a population. population population. Then you write number 1 mortality. At a dash दिया और लिखा mortality indicators. So याद बहुत খিনি types আছে, okay? Mortality indicators. INDICATORS. Mortality indicators. Number A था तलत. Below you write number A. Crude death rate. Crude. 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 Crude death rate. Death. DEATH. What is the meaning of death? Death mane, what is death?
ma'am, मृत्यु.
Death. Death mane ki?
Nice.
Huh?
Ma'am, in Assam said मृत्यु.
Yes. Okay, when a person dies, that is known as death of a person. Okay. Crude death rate, put a dash and write. This is considered a fair indicator. This is considered a fair indicator. Fair, F-A-I-R. This is considered a fair indicator. This is considered a fair indicator. INDICATOR. A fair indicator of the comparative health of the people. Of the comparative health of the people. COMPARATIVE. Comparative health of the people. Full stop. It is defined as the number of deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths. DEATHS. It is defined as the number of deaths per 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 1000 population. Per 1000 1000 population per year. 1000 population per year in a given community. In a given community. COMMUNITY. Full stop. It indicates the rate. It indicates the rate. It indicates INDICATES. It indicates the rate at which people are dying. It indicates the rate at which people are dying. Full stop. Reducing the number of deaths. Reducing, REDUCING. Reducing the number of deaths, DEATHS. Reducing the number of deaths in a population is an obvious goal of is an obvious goal of GOAL, is an obvious goal of medicine and health care, is an obvious goal of medicine and health care, CRE care. So crude death rate mane ki? What is crude death rate? Crude death rate is, it is nothing but it is simply the rate, okay, per 1000 population per year. That means in a year, for example, in 2020, how many people have died? Okay, or that rate you have to take out per 1000 population. Okay, in a given year, 2019 or kiman, how many people have died in a population? In 2018, how many have passed away already? 2020, because of coronavirus, many people have died. Okay, many people have passed away in all over the world. So in a given population, how many people have died in a year? That one only you will have to take out. मैं 2 दिन में 1 दिन 31st is apa lagi, Bang? Pahuri besok. Oh, এদিন absent আসলে কইলি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 31st এ 30 পাহরি besok। এদিনে দিলে বলে কত? ঠিক আছে। So in a year, okay, in a year, how many people have died already? Only that rate you will have to take out. Okay, and what it is written? Reducing the number of deaths in the population. Okay, is the obvious goal of medicine and healthcare. Okay, healthcare means what? You all are also studying professional course. Some of you are studying DRT, some of you are studying DOT, some of you are studying DDIT. So all these are what? All these are healthcare professionals. Why you all are studying? So that your ultimate goal is for helping the people. Okay, for reducing the death, for recovering the people, for helping your population, for helping the community. Okay, you all are studying this. So the ultimate goal of all the healthcare, be it doctors, nurses, okay, technicians, anybody related to healthcare, their ultimate goal is to reduce death rate, okay, and to increase the birth rate and also the life rate of the people. Okay, so it is the crude death rate is all about taking the rate, okay, in a given year, that how many people have died in 2020. At the end, at December 31st, the last day only, they will be taking out the rate, okay, that how many people have passed away and how many people are still living. Okay, so that is crude death rate. Number B, you write. Number B likha, expectation of life. Number B, expectation of life. EXPECTATION, expectation of life. Expectation of life. Put a dash and write. Life expectancy at birth is, life expectancy at birth, BIRTH, birth. Life expectancy at birth is the, life expectancy at birth is the average number of years, is the average number of years, is the average number of years that will be lived by, that will be lived by, that will be lived, that will be lived by those born alive into a population. By those born alive, born, born alive, alive. At the time of delivery also many babies, okay, at the time of birth many babies used to die, okay. So born alive into a population, full stop. Life expectancy at birth is, life expectancy at birth is, life expectancy at birth is highly influenced by, life expectancy at birth is highly influenced by the infant mortality rate, by the infant mortality rate. Infant, infant, infant mane below 1 year of age, okay, below 1 year of age are known as infants, okay, the newborn
मैम
baby.
मैम highly
Highly influenced by, highly influenced by, highly influenced by the infant mortality rate, highly influenced by the infant mortality rate. Infant mane below 1 year of age, mortality mane death aru rate, okay. Infant mortality rate where death is high, where death, DATH, where death is high, HIGH, where death is high, full stop. Write down life expectancy at the age of 1, life expectancy at the age of 1, life expectancy at the age of 1 excludes the influence of, excludes, EXCLUDES, excludes the influence of infant mortality rate, excludes the influence of infant mortality rate, and life expectancy at the age of 5, and life expectancy, and life expectancy at the age of 5, at the age of 5 excludes the influence of child mortality, excludes the influence of child mortality, full stop. Number C you write, C you write
मैम
down, excludes the influence of child mortality, child, CHILD, child mortality,
Hello, ma'am.
child
Ma'am.
mortality, yes.
Ma'am, excludes the influence of infant mortality episode.
Infant mortality, comma, and life expectancy, and life expectancy at the age of 5, past bosor, at the age of 5 excludes the influence of child mortality. Ek bosor hole it will be known as infant mortality rate, okay, and under 5 years mane it is child mortality rate. Excludes the
Okay, ma'am.
influence of child mortality, full stop. Next point you write number C. Infant mortality rate. Number C you write down infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate bracket likha IMR. Ketiaba for exams, okay, if I ask you the full form of IMR, then you have to know infant mortality rate. Okay, IMR. Bracket likha IMR. Put a dash and write. IMR is the ratio of deaths. IMR is the ratio of deaths IMR is the ratio of deaths under 1 year of age. Under 1 year of age, age, under 1 year of age in a given population, in a given year, YEAR, in a given year, in a given year to the total number. Come in. Okay, Likha. Given year to the total number of live birds, to the total number of live birds, to the total number of live birds in the same year, in the same year, YEAR, in the same year, comma, usually expressed as, expressed, EXPRESSED, usually expressed as a rate per, usually expressed as a rate per 1000 live birds, per 1000 live birds on in the same year, in the same year. Infant mortality rate mane ki it is just the rate, okay, of infant below 1 year of age. How many bacha, how many infants are dying in a year? Okay, you just need to take out the rate per 1000. Okay, like under 1 year of age in a given year, like for example in 2020, how many babies who are born, how many babies are born alive, are how many babies have died? Okay, that is the rate, that is the infant mortality rate. Mortality itself mane death. Okay, our infant mane below 1 bosor. Okay, below 1 year of age. It might be 1 day, 2 day, 5 months, 6 months. Okay, below 1 year of age, how many infants have died? Okay, it might be because of disease, it might be because of some birth defect, anything, because of any reason. Okay, how many infants have passed away? Okay, by 1000 live births, by the y 1000, how many people, how many babies are still alive? According to that, you just need to take out the rate. Okay, it is very simple. Next you write number D, likha child mortality rate. Child, CMR, child mortality rate. CMR, child mortality rate. Child mortality rate. Put a dash and write down. Another indicator. Okay, no need to write that. You just write it is defined as child mortality rate, CMR. Write down it is defined as the, it is defined as the number of deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths, DEATHs, at ages, deaths at ages, AGES, ages 1 to 5 years of age, ages 1 to 5 years of age, 1 to 5 years of age in a given year, in a given year, YEAR, in a given year, per 1000 children, per 1000 children. Same, IMR or Nisnan. Okay, it's just same. The definition is same. Just infant mane below 1 year, how many are, how many have died that one you have to take out. And in CMR, how many children have died between 1 to 5 years of age. Come here once. Wake me, Robasun. Okay, 1 to 5 years in a given year, comma, per 1000 children, per 1000 children, per 1000 children, 1000, 1000, per 1000 children in that age group, in that age group, GROUP. That means in between 1 to 5 years, okay, ek bosorat how many children have died already. That rate you will have to take out. It is done every year. Every year they should take out the rate of children, how many children are living, how many children have died, how many infants are living, how many infants are dead. Okay, how many old people are living, how many old people have died. Every time, every year, at the end of the year, these people, they used to take out the rate. Okay, so as to know the population of a country or the population of the whole world. Okay, they should know this. Next number, E likha. Number E, under 5, UNDER 5, under 5 proportionate mortality rate, under 5 proportionate mortality rate, proportionate, PROPORTION, under 5 proportionate mortality rate, RATE, rate. Under 5 proportionate mortality rate. Put a dash and write down. It is the proportion of total deaths. It is the proportion of total deaths. DEATHS. It is the proportion of. It is the proportion of total deaths. It is the proportion of total deaths occurring under 5 age. Occurring under 5 age group. Occurring under 5 age group. Occurring under 5 age group, full stop. This rate can be used to reflect. This rate can be used to reflect. This rate can be used to reflect both infant and child mortality rates. Both infant and child mortality rate. Okay, and under 5, in under 5, both infant or child mortality rate, they can find it out. Okay. No need, they don't need to do it separately. Mane, all together only they can just find out the rates of infant or children. Beleg and why, okay. Infant and child mortality rate, full stop. In communities with poor hygiene, in communities with poor hygiene, HYGIENE, in communities with poor hygiene, comma, in communities with poor hygiene, comma, the proportion may exceed 60 per 1000 live births. The proportion may exceed 60 per 1000 live births. 60 per 1000 live births. Full stop. In some European countries, EUROPEAN, in some European countries, comma, the proportion is less than 2 per 1000 live births. In some European countries, comma, the proportion is less than 2 per 1000 live births. 2 per 1000 live births, LIV, live births, BIRTHS, live births. Okay, so under 5 proportionate rate ki hoy, that mane you can take out the rates of both infant aru child. Okay, aru yat ki likha ase, in communities with poor hygiene. Okay, for example, India. India is a developing country. Okay, it is not a developed country. It's still developing. It is in process. Okay, so it is a developing country. So many of the people, they are not hygienic. Okay, some people, there are many people who lives in slum areas. Okay, many people are there who don't maintain hygiene of the house. Okay, so what happens? The death rate is very high in India. Okay, although the birth rate is also very much high, kintu death rate to bahut besi. Okay, you can see 60 per 1000 live births. That means you can just compare 60 are living and 1000 you are seeing the death rate. Okay, in some European countries the proportion, and in the developed countries, for example in European countries, what happened, only 2% children are dying. Aru yat amar yat 60%, you can see the difference, 60 aru 2, it's such a great difference. Okay, that only 2% children or babies are dying every year, kintu yet 60% are dying. So it is because of what? It is because of poor hygiene. Okay, it is because of malnutrition. Okay, inappropriate sanitation. Okay, less hospitals, less medicines. Okay, and in many places of India there are no proper traffic, no proper roads. Still roads are not there from where these village people they can come and bring the children. Okay, in case of any emergency. So many things are missing in India, whereas in all these European countries they have the advanced facilities, because of which the death of children are also very less, and their birth rate is also not very much. Okay, they used to exceed more than 4 or 5 children, more than 2 children. Okay, but in India you will see 4, 5, 6, 7 teneka bahut basic children. Okay, if you can handle it is good, but it is actually not good. Okay, so because of all these factors our death rate is very much high compared to other countries. Okay, next you can write down F, you write adult mortality rate. Write down adult mortality rate. Adult mortality rate. Write down the adult mortality rate is defined as the adult mortality rate is defined as the adult mortality rate is defined as the probability of dying between the age of the probability 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 of dying DYING probability of dying between the age of 15 and 60 years, between the age of 15 and 60 years, 15 and 60 years per 1000 population, full stop. The probability of dying in adulthood, the probability PROBABILITY, the probability of dying in adulthood, the probability of dying in adulthood is greater for men, MEN is greater for men than for women, greater for men than for women, WOMEN, greater for men than for women in almost all countries, in almost all the countries, full stop. So in adult mortality rate, what you will just have to find out the death rate of adults that are dying in between the age group of 15 pundoro aru, between the age group of 15 and 60 years. Okay, in between 15 and 60 years, how many adults are dying? It might be because of any reason. Aru yat likha ase that the proportion of death of men, okay, men are more than women. Okay, then why do you think it is so? Can you tell me that why men are dying more than women? Why do you think that the case of men dying are more than women? Any idea? Say fast.
No, ma'am.
Others? Why do you think men are dying more than women? There might be some probable causes.
Drunken driving.
Yes, very good.
Num-
Drunken driving. And then,
Men do crazy things than women.
yeah, they are always into something. Like we do not know, but they are always into something. They always want to do something. They want to explore something always. Okay, they are great explorers. And sometimes what happens because of rush driving. Okay, sometimes they dance to wear helmets. Now it is mandatory to wear helmets, but bahute mane you can see in hospitals, you will see many boys coming with fractured head. Okay, because of bike accident, full speed. They will drive on full speed and then they are hospitalized in the hospital. And many of them, they even go into coma. Okay, because there is an injury to the head. Okay, because of that, what happens? Because if it is too severe, what happens? The person might go to coma. Okay, so because of all these reasons, and then because of smoking. Okay, smoking is injurious to health. Okay, you can have lung cancer, not now, most probably not now, into lahe lahe ke. Okay, as the years passes by, and if you don't quit smoking, then what happens? It will ultimately lead to death. Okay, and sometimes yes, because of depression like what, they used to take the responsibilities of home. Okay, there are some other factors also because of many things, like we can say. Okay, so because of these small reasons, like we can find out that the proportion of men dying are more than women in most of the cases. Okay, all over the world. Okay, next, now, just write down the next point. Number G likha. Maternal mortality rate. Maternal. MATERNAL. Maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate. Put a dash and write down. Maternal mortality rate. Put a dash and write. Maternal mortality. Maternal mortality accounts for the greatest proportion of death. Accounts for the greatest proportion of death. DEATHS. Maternal mortality accounts for the greatest proportion of deaths among women, WOMEN, among women of reproductive age, reproductive, REPRODUCTIV, of reproductive age in most of the developing countries. In most of the developing countries. COUNTRIES.
Ma'am, reproductive.
Reproductive age, age, reproductive age in most of the developing countries. In most of the developing countries. For example, developing countries are India. Okay, and there are some other, but I will take the example of India only. So, in most of the developing countries, what happened? The death of women at the reproductive age. Reproductive age means at the time of pregnancy. Mostly at the time of pregnancy, what happens? Many women used to die. Okay, because of improper medication. Okay, because they are not coming to hospitals for regular checkup. They doesn't take iron. Okay, iron is very much essential. Iron tablets. Okay, many of the mothers who are staying in villages or else in the rural areas, they are not able to take in proper hospital facilities. Okay, because of which their rate of death is very much high during that time. Okay, and at that time they even suffer from anemia. Anemia means lack of low amount of hemoglobin in the body. Okay, the blood level goes to very low. Okay, anemic patients, they become anemic. So at that time they should take lots of nutritious food. And sometimes because of overpopulation in the family, like for example more than 2 children. Okay, so at that time also they suffer from all this various kinds of diseases also they go through, and anemia is the most common disease that they suffer. So because of all this also, the maternal mortality rate in most of the developing countries are very much high. Okay, at this time, during that period. Okay, so okay then, thank you. I'll take till here. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.